Hi, I'm Rhonda Buttery, and I'm here today for Astro Gold to show you how easy it is to add comments to your charts or to edit comments in a chart that you already have. So let's start by sharing my screen. And there's my Astro Gold ready to go. To make a new chart, I can click on either the new button at the top, or I can click on charts and then new, or I can use the command key and the letter N. So let's start with the new button today. And the chart data window will open with the same details that I used on the last chart that I viewed or created. So let's start by typing over the existing details, and let's type a chart for Elizabeth on the 6th of June 2000 at 4:35 a.m. in London, UK. Now I'm using the tab key to move from field to field. And when the system looks up, my coordinates turn green and we're ready to go. We know that everything has calculated properly. Straight away, you'll see on this side the comments box, and this is where I make comments. When I'm finished, I click calculate and select which chart I want. If I want to overwrite the chart that's already there, click chart 1. If I want to display both those charts, click chart 2. So for now, I'll click chart 1. Now this chart is not saved, so I've got the option to save it. When I click save, the system opens up in the last area that I saved a chart. So the last one I saved was in the Wednesday file. I can select any of my chart files and they all end in SFCHT, but the Wednesday one will do today because we're only playing and I don't want to get confused with things that I think are important. And now I'll click the save button and Elizabeth's chart is saved. Now, if I want to edit a chart that is already saved and add some more comments, I click on the open button or chart open or command key open. And again, it opens at the last file that I used. So here we can go to one of the charts I was playing with earlier on, and this is Mary. To add to the comments or to change them, I click on edit at the bottom of the window, and I can edit any chart details or I can edit the comments. And when I click the calculate button, the comments are saved with the chart. I'm sure you'll see how handy this is to remember things that clients might have told you or things that you might have told the clients. And it's very useful to have it saved with your chart. So thank you for tuning in today to learn a little bit more about your program. I do encourage you to explore the buttons and the menus. There's such a treasure trove of wonderful things in this program. So enjoy your software and we'll catch up another time.